Hello my people, today we are going to learn in English. We are going to learn sentence we use daily. Are you ready? Let's start. Uyu munsi tugiye kwiga amagambo dukoresha buri munsi. Mbibutsa gukomeza gukora subscribe, share na comment kugira ngo tukomeze tuzamurane. Murakoze, reka dutangire. I'm waking up early. I'm waking up early. Mbyuka kare. I'm waking up early. I'm turning off my alarm. I'm turning off my alarm. Nkazimya alarm. I'm sitting on my bed. I'm sitting on my bed. Nkicara ku gitanda. I'm stretching my arms. I'm stretching my arms. Nkarambura amaboko. I'm opening the window. I'm opening the window. Nkafungura idirishya. I'm making my bed. I'm making my bed. Nkasasa ku gitanda. I'm going to the bathroom. I'm going to the bathroom. Nkajya ku bwiherero. I'm brush my teeth. I'm brush my teeth. Nkaborosa amenyo cyangwa se nkoza amenyo. I'm washing my face. I'm washing my face. Nkoga mu maso. I'm taking shower. I'm taking shower. Nkafata amazi nkoga umubiri. I'm drying my hair. I'm drying my hair. Nkumutsa umusatsi. I'm putting on clothes. I'm putting on clothes. Nkambara imyenda. I'm putting on clothes. I'm comb my hair. I'm comb my hair. Nkasokoza umusatsi. I'm drinking water. I'm drinking water. Nkanywa amazi. I'm drinking water. I'm feeding my pets. I'm feeding my pets. Nkagaburira akabwana. I'm cooking eggs. I'm cooking eggs. Nkateka amagi. I'm eating breakfast. I'm eating breakfast. Nkafata amafunguro ya mu gitondo. I'm eating breakfast. I'm drinking tea. I'm drinking tea. Nkanywa icyayi. I'm drinking tea. I'm packing my bag. I'm packing my bag. Nkapakira ibaga yanjye. I'm putting on shoes. I'm putting on shoes. Nkambara inkweto. I'm checking the time. I'm checking the time. Nkareba ku gihe. I'm taking my keys. I'm taking my keys. Nkafata imfunguzo zanjye. I'm taking my keys. I'm locking the door. I'm locking the door. Nkafunga urugi. I'm locking the door. I'm walking to work. I'm walking to work. Nkajya ku kazi. I'm walking to work. I'm waiting for the bus. I'm waiting for the bus. Nkategereza bisi. I'm starting work at 8 a.m. I'm starting work at 8 a.m. Ntangira akazi saa 2 za mu gitondo. I'm talking to my friends. I'm talking to my friends. Nkaganira n'inshuti. I'm talking to my friends. I'm sitting at my chair. I'm sitting at my chair. Nkicara ku ntebe. I'm sitting at my chair. I'm opening my computer. I'm opening my computer. Nkafungura computer. I'm reading book. I'm reading book. Nkasoma igitabo. I'm reading book. I'm writing notes. I'm writing notes. Nkandika note. I'm writing notes. I'm asking question. I'm asking question. Nkabaza ibibazo. I'm asking question. I'm listening my teacher. I'm listening my teacher. Nkatega amatwi mwarimu. I'm listening my teacher. I'm taking break. I'm taking break. Nkafata akaruhuko. I'm taking break. Thank you to watch this video. Bibutsa gukora subscribe kugira ngo ubutaha uzabone indi video nk'iyi niba waryohewe nayo.